Hi friends, it's Gail, and we'll just get this out of the way. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday dear Gail, 5 of 4, happy birthday to me. Okay, I meant to do this video last night and then, I don't know, it got past me somehow. I wanted to show you, well first I have a haul, a little one to show you that I got last week stopping at a garage sale. But I want to show you my toolbox thingy I made. I had these, remember? I had like 5 of these I got at a garage sale or something. And I put these, my big buttons on there. And then I put this trim around and I painted it, the little flowers was some kind of a copper type thing I had. And I did this on the inside. Then on the bottom, I put a piece of cardboard and I covered it with a plastic like doily thing I had, so it wouldn't get messed up on the bottom as far as spills and stuff, and it would keep it open. And it was the I can't think of her name, but it was the Glue Gun Chronicles that inspired me. And again, let's see here. It was hard to decide what to put on. And I really like my buttons. And then I made some flowers. This one I got from I got from Amy Love's store. How pretty. This trim. And this was that material I had gotten, and I shared it with a few people. It's, I don't know what it is, but it's like crocheted, but yet it's thin, kind of. And then there's my feet. I had these magnets, and I took the magnet part off, and I put this on, then I put these little things on there, and I put a little flower that I had cut out of something that I had, and I stiffied it, so 6 of those. I don't know why my light's flashing. I hope I'm not running out of anything. But these are all pockets. This was $8 with a coupon. See, these are all pockets. Here's pockets, 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 pockets down here. That's why I didn't cover this up, because there's pockets. And so I thought that was pretty cute. This looks like such a different color on camera, but it matches. I don't know if I should have put the butterfly there, but he didn't want to come off, so I guess he's staying. So that's my tool bag. And if you go to the Glue Gun Chronicles, she has a few of them there that she's made, and they're all cute. And I'll show you what it started out as. This I got at Harbor Freight, and we just happened to have a Harbor Freight right at the corner, so this was it. And there was a coupon, so instead of 10 you got it for 8. Okay, I really like that. Now on my I have to show you this. This is a 60s dress. And you probably won't be able to see the color too well. It's a skirt and a top, actually. Let me see here. Yeah, here's the skirt. It's periwinkle, the color. The color is just gorgeous. Look at all those pretty things on there. And then it's got some little hanging things here. It's got the lace. It's a few different layers. Then it has this inside. Oh, whoop, whoop, whoop. Yo, you don't want to see me in my jammies. I figure I better just do it or I'll never get it done. And then this is the top. Look at this. Look at that. There's so many things on here you could use. Look at these arms. And this scallops. I mean, it was, I think, let me see. It was circa 1960, made and bought in Italy. The whole thing was $6. You believe it? But I just love that color. Then I got two of these boxes, like one, they were 75 cents each, and you can tell they're old. And this is what I did the drawing out of the other day. It's kind of silk. Oh, I can't think what I want to say. It is silk. Anyway, not pretty. You could cover it up, or, and then here's the gold one. You can tell these are really old. Same thing, but this one has that felt kind of feel. Then I got this, but I was eating ice cream that was melting profusely, and it got on here. It's a little silk. It's 50 cents, you know, collar. So you have to tell me what to put on there, because I know if you, whatever you do, it makes it bigger. I was making a really big mess. I didn't know I was going to stop, and I bought myself a pint of Haagen-Dazs, and it was melting. Then I got this. Somebody must have made it, but I think you could cut this without it. Like you could cut a piece like this, or it's pretty stiff too, so I think it would be good for a lot of things. And I got this little spool, but I didn't notice that it was broken right here. Of course, I may have broken it, but not a cute spool. And these are, oh, and I got this thimble. I don't know why. And these are all old buttons. There's these. All kind of different ones here. These big yellow ones. These. And these, you could tell these are really old. I like these. I have paint on me. I'm a mess. Paint, glue, things from running into stuff. Aren't those neat? So those are all vintage buttons. And then there was this little piece of gray trim. Not, yeah, kind of like the Chinese trim. And one earring, but I liked it. Look, looks like a upside down tulip. Then I got this. And look at this. These are two tiny rose earrings, 50 cents. Can you see them? And here was a little sprig of leaves that are very different. They're like their material. And then here's some of the stamens in here, but very delicate. They're white, but they have like a bluish cast to it. That's pretty. And then just so happens she had black Velcro, both sides of it, so I got that. And these for 20 cents. We have these in Ohio, and I'm trying to think of the name. I always forget. Lilies of the Valley, I think these are, and they smell so nice. Not these, they don't smell. And then this sprig for $0.25. And I always use these. And then this, there has to be 2 yards here of this lace. I mean, this dangles, you know how you undo, take down that one ribbon and then it all just kind of hangs. I didn't know that the first time I did that. But there's probably like 2 yards of it or more. And that was really cheap. And then this ruffled trim. This looks old. What else? Let me see, 50 cents. Rights. Well, I'm not going to take, I can't get it out, but it's already ruffled. Then I got this. I like, this may have come from the dress somewhere, I don't know, but that's that periwinkle color too. Isn't that a pretty applique? And then this, I don't know, I really don't know what this is. Some kind of a linen. Almost looks like something to bandage somebody up with. Or it's probably for hem or the inside of a zipper. I don't really know. But I guess you could use it for anything. It's beige. And then, look at this. 14 yards of lace for $10. And, you know, this is the kind of lace that you can do anything with. But 10 yards. 10 yards of lace. How much did I say? Oh, it's brand new. $10. So, maybe what, 75 cents a yard? Be nice probably to dye it That would probably work well. I think that's it. If anybody has any idea of what I'm supposed to do with this, I know I probably should just take it to the cleaners. Because I know if you put something wet on here, it just makes it worse. So maybe that's what I'll do, unless somebody has some magic trick. I should ask Kelly on the, well, which was the Kelly and Regis show, because she said she knows how to get spots and stains out of everything. So, okay, I believe that's it for now. We did have our 2 random drawings the other day, and that's because I waited so long, and I had, so Roxy Carr and Nola Harris. I have Nola's ready to send, and I haven't heard yet from Roxy. I don't even know if she knows that she won. I just love these, aren't they cute? I already broke one upstairs. So keep commenting, and you know, you have to be a sub, and I try to do a drawing every 3 or 4 videos, and the reason I did 2 was because I let it go to I think 8 or 9. So and anybody who wants to, it was just an afterthought, the birthday thing for a few weeks till maybe the middle of November. If you want to send me something little, or some couple twinchies, or just any little thing. I'm going to put these on a spiral thing. Then I will have a drawing, or 2 depending. But these are 2 I had that Diana Baucus made me. So, you know, I bought the other day one of those big, I don't know what they're called. I got it Tuesday morning, where they punches a hole and does some other stuff. It's pretty sturdy. I mean, I have a one hole punch, but anyway, I can find the package, but I can't find what I did with it, of course. So that's about it. And also on the one random, when I did the drawing, and I talked about this twinchy thing, I put my address there, so anybody, you'll know. Okay, guys, have a really nice weekend. Tomorrow over here in Maitland Civic Center, they have a vintage show, so I'm gonna go there, see what I can find. So anyway, happy birthday to me, and have a nice weekend. Hugs and love you all. Bye.